Now I'm going to show you guys something, what I do outside of trading, which is build my teams and like the structure and like I'm always thinking on how can I get better? How can I better the system? Just make shit easier. Like this is literally what I think about every single day. So this is obviously very surface level. I can't like zoom in fully on what the fuck is going on in here. I can't zoom in fully on what the fuck is going on in here as well. But you know, we build the structures, we build, like I can zoom in a little bit on this right here. So this is like some of the team members and like the communication and how it goes, people's roles. One of the team members actually helped like, you know, build this along with this over here and stuff, which is fucking awesome. So just showing you guys, I'm always trying to innovate on how I can make all this communication flow better. And this is going to be next week's money, 100%. This is so easy right here. It's a counter trend trade, but it'll play out.
How I do it is because I spend every single day hours in front of the fucking screen talking to a bunch of different people. Rocket 21 is going to have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 in the next week, and fan funded. Everything is in his own platform, so it's simply just thriving. If you guys have not checked out fan funded, I highly recommend you guys do. I already got rack of statues everywhere. What should the fan funded thing? It'd be like a big ass fucking sports thing. That'd be pretty cool.
Oh, and you can't forget to set and forget the charts. So actively right now, Euro USD, we will continue to set and forget. So there's some mornings that are gonna be like this. Obviously this is under like a 5% loss. It's really not a big deal at all. And this is a trade that if it were to happen, I would take over and over and over again, simply because over the course of 10 trades, it had a 60 to 65% win rate and a minimum of a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. So I will take this trade every single time, again and again and again and again and again and again and again. So right now I'm going to set and forget into my next trade. There's nothing that I'm going to change in my trading routine, in my trading style, in my trading plan. Nothing, guys. It's just another loss. Now because I lost 120K, it's a big deal? It's not a big deal for the size of the account, so it's nothing changes, guys. It's the same thing. So all I do right now is simply just wait for the next trade. I'm not going to now meditate. I'm not going to now fucking go on a dark mode or go on a what? No, dude, I'm just going to simply wait for the next trade. That's it.
All right, so I'm here with my cousin.
Yo.
Get up, bro. Show them how fucking tall you are. All right, so I'm 6'2", and look at this guy. I'm not 6'2". So, bro, what do you? Look at this guy.
Just practicing on trading.
Look at this guy.
And just focusing. And learning from my cousin.
Look at this guy.
You already know.
So a little bit of a turn off. This candlestick has currently body closed above this structure point, and I believe that, yeah, and that structure point as well. Luckily we are under this very strong area of interest. We are under daily EMA. Obviously that was just like the really low time frame, so I am still extremely confident on this trade. I do see this trade potentially going up a little bit more into here, potentially somewhere into here. My stop loss was a little bit tight. Ideally I would have wanted to have a stop loss above this structure point right here, but then the risk to reward would have simply not been worth it. This is the only trade that simply made sense risk to reward wise. Keep in mind, I've evolved into this person or this new trader over the last 6 to 8 months. Like if you were to be with me a year ago, I was still taking 1 or 2 trades every single week and losing. Now, bro, I rarely ever lose. Like I really don't ever lose because I'm so selective on the style of trading that I do now. So it's something new that I am becoming more profitable, making more money, catching bigger trades, and losing a lot less because I'm way more selective. So you guys are being part of this journey with me because you guys are seeing that I'll be inactive with trading for 2-3 weeks, but then for a week I'll run up a fucking bag and then I'll just disappear for like 2 weeks again and then come back. Daily time frame is bearish as well. As you can see, that's the lower high, that's the lower low. We're having to pull back to the area of interest. Very strong level of support and resistance all throughout here. And we're also rejecting the daily EMA. And as you can see, we're having a rejection. What I'm waiting for is for this candlestick to body close under, bearish engulfing, little retest, and then we sell. So I said it yesterday or the day before, trying to make a quick hunter this week, just bored, and I explained this beautiful trade setup. So let me get into more detail in the next stories. Oh, before I even show you guys this right here, you guys can see this is literally this right here. I explained it yesterday in the free Telegram. 148,000 on the dot. 148,000 people saw it. Basically waiting for the break under the EMA. Fast forward to today. Boom.
Take the best I say and put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
You guys want to know what piece of advice I would give to anybody that wants to be successful in any niche? Whether you want to be in e-commerce, whether you want to be an artist, whether you want to play the drums, play the guitar. Do you guys want to know what I think the key to success is? Exactly what I did right here in Jordan Welch's video, where I'm featured helping out one of his friends to pretty much give him the best piece of advice to become successful as a guitar player. And Patrick Bet-David was in the video, as well as one of other Jordan's buddies, and I think it's a great video to watch. You guys should definitely check it out. I see a very nice potential in the markets this week. I have not taken a trade in over 2 weeks, and I see it coming this week, potentially by Tuesday night, maybe Wednesday morning. Monday is out, right? No trade on Monday, I know that for sure. Tuesday, Wednesday, be on the lookout. There was no Wi-Fi for the last 3 days, but we're back now. These guys. So I personally did not catch this trade because, again, I don't trade, futures, options, anything that's not FX pairs. I just personally don't like it, even though I see the same setup happening outside of currencies in these markets all the time. I just personally simply don't like it. It's me going against my rules. But for those of you guys that are testing my strategy for outside of FX pairs, here you go once again. Called it for free in the Telegram, everything. So currently right now I am waiting for this trade setup right here, Euro USD. We literally already broke. So yesterday we were anticipating a break and now we are already having the pullback. So at this pullback, I'm gonna wait for my entry signal
and pretty much the rest of my trading plan to check out in order for me to take this trade. And over 150,000 of you guys watch my stories every single day. It's crazy because like you guys actually make money like through this screen off of this simple prediction right here, which it fucking literally just blows up. Like somebody just DM'd me and he was like, bro, I turned $300 into $8,000 yesterday. Like, what? How the fuck did you do that? You know what I mean? Like, get my cut, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nah, bro, I'm kidding, bro. I do this for you guys, man, and I will continue to do it. I love it, and you know, constantly verifying and showing you guys like the possibility of the opportunity the market gives you, and that it's legit. I show you guys that it's legit every single day. I'm like not like one of these other guys that promote some bullshit or constantly selling you guys some shit. I'm just like, hey, this is the way I trade. You like it? Don't believe me? Well, just watch me. Alright, you can't make this shit up. I know, right? It's unbelievable. I know. This is what you can't make up.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
A lot of you guys might know this pair, NAS 100. I don't trade futures, options, stocks, commodities, none of this stuff. I only trade currencies, but I'm testing my strategy out. And as you guys can see, this is a very fucking clear left head, shoulder, retest of the neckline, retest of the EMA, round psychological level, and I literally sent it out yesterday free. I said I don't trade NAS 100 pairs, but let's see how it's gonna play out, and it's already playing out. So all 147,000 traders are seeing this currently play out. So my first trade is USD CAD. It's literally super simple. You can literally see the break, the retest. When you go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see then literally the accumulation. Last week I did this inverted head and shoulders, perfect bullish engulfing, and then I did not enter. I explained it how the students why. So basically I was looking to take this trade long once it broke above this area right here, which is good, but I don't see it just taking off because of that right now. I do see price having a retracement right now from this point. So it already did what I wanted it to do. Now I see this having a pullback to retest this EMA right here and this structure point right here in order for it to continue to head to the upside. So I'm waiting. Yeah, it's gonna retest like within this zone right here, and then once it retests here, then it's gonna head to the upside. So this is, I did not think that the trades that I was anticipating for this week would play out so fast, and one of the pairs that I actually personally never trade, I just tested my technical analysis strategy on it to see if it would work, and it looks like it's working. Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, so as of right now, you're 1,000 to the 100K. How's it going?
It's not going good.
It's not easy, right?
Yeah, it's not that it's not going good because I've set fire trades. It's been my risk management, like not knowing how to close the trades, how to manage the trades. So that's the hard part.
Alright, so what are you gonna do now?
Nah, I'm just gonna set it forget.
So Jordan is trying to turn $1,000 into 100K, and he sucks. He fucking sucks. Nah, he's caught in the good trades, but he just hasn't closed at the right areas. And you know, I get it. You know, it's tough at the beginning. And you still haven't blown it. I blew my first time, so you're still good.
Yeah.